Did you know you can create a dedicated page so your guests can leave a digital tip for your team? No cash needed and no check-in required? Let us show you how in less than 2 minutes. Log into your ChargeAutomation dashboard. At the top of your screen, you'll see the Payment Links option. Click on it. Once inside, select Reusable Payment Pages and click to create a new page. Now, let's add the product. Click on Add New Product or Service. For the name, type Tips. For the product type, select Tip. From here, you can upload an image, add a description, and select your currency, in this case, USD. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can add a custom question so your guest can choose who they want to tip. Click Add. New question. Write something like, "Who would you like to tip?" and set the answer type to multiple choice. Then add your team members' names, housekeeping, maintenance, front desk, whoever you'd like to include. Once everything looks good, click Save Changes. Now go back to your payment pages list. Find the one you just created. Click the three-dot menu, and you'll see two very useful options. Generate a QR code to print and place inside your property, or copy the link to send directly to your guests. This is exactly what your guest will see when they open it. They can choose the tip amount, select who they want to tip, enter their payment details, and confirm. All in under a minute. A simple way to recognize your team and improve the guest experience without adding extra work to your operation.